Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the controller and cable. Use a good USB-C or micro USB lead. Plug one end into the controller, the other into a rear PC USB port to avoid hub power issues. Windows will detect new hardware automatically. You may see a driver install notification. Once done, press the Xbox button to power the pad. You do this because wired connection bypasses wireless pairing complexity and guarantees full input and vibration support without adapters. Once the cable is connected, make sure Windows installed the correct drivers. Open Device Manager and look for Xbox controller or USB input device. Update drivers if Windows flags a problem. You can also install the Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store to calibrate and confirm firmware updates. After drivers and firmware are confirmed, open the game controller's control panel to verify button mapping and analog stick responses. This step ensures games read the controller as an X input device for consistent behavior. Finish by confirming your controller works in a game. Launch a simple title or controller tester. If controls are laggy or not recognized, restart the PC and replug the cable into a rear USB port. Make sure firmware is up to date via the Xbox Accessories app. If problems persist, swap cables or try another computer to rule out a faulty controller. One key troubleshooting tip: a bad cable often causes intermittent detection. Always test with a different known good USB cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.